Hi, this is Ian from Lee Media. I got a question from a viewer from a YouTube channel about creating a free shipping template in Shopify. Here's how to do it. Go to your Shopify store, click on Settings, then click on Shipping and Delivery. And this is confusing. I mean, I wish Shopify set it up better, but they didn't. But anyways, under General Shipping Rates, click Manage, and then scroll down. And right now, this is the US area. So I'm going to create a free shipping for any item. Right now, you can see I actually have an existing one for $50 and up. I'm just going to create a new one for everything. Click Create Shipping Zone. Actually, hold on here. Just do this. Add rate. And you can see they already have something. Economy, 5 to 8 business days. $0, and then click Done. So you can see that this particular shipping rate is now available there. Basically, if anyone were to go to the shop right now, if I click Save, they would have, this would be one of the options that they can choose. But if they want to get it expedited, they can also do that. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify, go to leemedia.org, click on video, and you can see all the videos that I have for different types of platforms, including Amazon, including Shopify. Also, if you can like this video and follow it on YouTube, that would be great. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.